In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pipedrive to Gmail in 3 minutes. By the end, your emails will flow right into Pipedrive, so you can track conversations alongside your deals and contacts without any copy-paste or manual forwarding. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and that you have access to the Gmail address you want to connect. If you use multiple Google accounts, it helps to sign out of extras or be clear which inbox you want to sync. Also, if your company manages Google permissions, you may need admin approval to connect third-party apps. Let's jump in. First, look to the top right corner of Pipedrive and click your profile icon. That opens a quick menu for your account. From there, choose Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive stores user-level settings like language, notifications, and, what we need today, email options. On the left side of the Personal Preferences page, you'll see a navigation panel. Click Email Sync. This section is designed to securely connect your inbox so Pipedrive can bring in messages and, if you choose, send emails on your behalf from inside the CRM. You'll notice a button or prompt to connect an email account. When asked, select Gmail or Google as your provider, then enter the email address you want to use. A Google window will appear asking you to sign in and grant permission. Go ahead and allow access. This is the standard Google consent process and uses secure authentication, so you don't need to manually enter server settings. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, just complete the verification as usual. Once access is granted, Pipedrive will begin syncing. You should see a connected status on the email sync page. The first sync may take a few minutes depending on the size of your inbox, so don't worry if everything doesn't appear instantly. If you don't see the Google prompt, your browser may be blocking pop-ups. Briefly allow them for Pipedrive and try again. From here, you're all set. You can compose emails directly from Pipedrive, see messages linked to your contacts and deals, and keep your communications centralized. If you prefer to fine-tune later, you can return to the email sync page anytime to review settings like which folders to sync or the default from address. But for most people, the default setup works right away. And that's it. Quick, clean, and connected. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother workflow with Pipedrive and Gmail working together.